Police CID detained 2 cops in connection with Santosh Hojai murder. Jai Koteswar Singh inaugurates additional court building for the Mahasau. Hello and a very good morning to all the viewers of Karbi Anglong Live News. You are visually baby with the latest news for today. Now the news in detail. In a big development in the kidnapping and murder case of Santosh Hojai, a former militant member turned trader of the Mahasau district, the Assam Police CID have detained AB Constable Bipul Laka and APRO Constable Sankar Bania. The arrested cops were first taken by CID at Guwahati for interrogation. Later, they were detained and are now transferred to Haflong Police Station for more interrogation. Hojai was abducted from his house at Damadi Havar under Harangajao Police Station of the district on April 24 evening by 5 unknown persons in plain clothes. 6 days later, his burned and decomposing body was found about 100 km away from his house near NH27 road at Lailing Reserve Forest under Langting Police Station on April 30. The body, which was exhumed in the presence of an executive magistrate, had a burn and multiple injury marks. However, autopsy reports say those injuries were ante-mortem. Subsequently, his wife filed a petition in the High Court on April 28, 2 days before his body was found, seeking a directive to the police to expedite the search. However, after his body was recovered, she filed a new affidavit naming a Deputy Superintendent of Police, Surja Kanta Morang, of being involved in the alleged intrajudicial killing after a video of the DSP along with other policemen buying fuel at Maibang Fuel Depot went viral. Following this, several organizations demanded the arrest of the DSP and for constitution of CBI inquiry. Later, the alleged DSP was transferred to 21st AP Battalion at Makum in Hailakandi district. Meanwhile, after the arrest of the 2 persons, Jayanta Thausen, widowed wife of Santosh Hojai, appreciated the administrations and said that whoever involved in the killing to be arrested soon and punished as per law.
देखो हमारा पोती को अप्रैल का 24 में किडनैप करा। उसके बाद में इतना दिन के बाद में देखो आज अभी 7 महीना चल रहा है अभी तो अभी खबर मिला आज न्यूज़ में भी देखा जो हमारा पोती को किडनैप में जो आया उन दोनों को पकड़ा सैदी का हाथ में है बोल के ऐसा न्यूज़ में देखा। ये सुन के अभी हमारा दिल में अभी थोड़ा शांति मिला जो किडनैप में आया उन दोनों को पकड़ा बोल के।
Suraj Barman from Haflong, Karbi Anglong Live. Assam Chief Minister Sarbananda Sonowal, through a virtual video conferencing from Majuli in Dhemaji district today, laid the foundation stone for the construction of the structural pre-engineered building PEB barracks under Moitri Asoni, a technical building project to felicitate the Assam police persons. In West Karbi Anglong, 3 out of 72 buildings have been included and they will be constructed in Dongkamokam Police Outpost, Boithalangso Police Station and at Mailu Outpost from the scheme. The dignitaries present were local MLA Dr. Mansingh Rongpi, MAC KAAC Prabhat Chandra Taro, Deputy Commissioner Said Isfakur Rahman, SP Dr. Ramandip Kaur, DSP West Karbi Anglong Nayan Muni Barman, Social Worker Arun Terang, KAAC Border Development Chairman Richardson Hanse and others. The inauguration program was attended by the representatives of the district from the Waisong Stadium Conference Hall.
Barracks all over Assam, all the district of Assam, that had been inaugurated by Honorable Chief Minister of Assam, and it had been virtually inaugurated in all the districts. Amar West কাৰ্বি আংলঙত আমি এতিয়া দংকামকামত এইটো ভাৰ্চুৱেলি ইনগৰেট কৰিছোঁ
Kabon Militi Sopi from Dongkamukam, Karbi Anglong Live. The new additional court building, the Mahasal District Judiciary, was inaugurated by the Chief Justice of Guwahati High Court, Justice N. Koteswar Singh, on Saturday in presence of Guwahati High Court Judge in Charge, Administrative Department, Justice Manas Ranjan Pathak, Portfolio Judge of the Mahasal Judicial Court, Justice Manish Chaudhary, and other dignitaries of the district. The new additional court building was placed by handing over of the building of additional circuit house by the district administration to the judicial department. The renovation of the building was done at an approximate budget of rupees 1 crore with 3 courtrooms and 1 legal aid clinic to attend legal services. While speaking at the inauguration event, Chief Justice Singh said that the commencement of the session will provide equal opportunity in accessing justice and other judicial services. He further added that, unlike the other regular inaugurations, the starting of the additional court building in Haflong is a milestone for the district under the 6th Schedule area, where there is an elaborate constitutional right of its own as mentioned in the Constitution. Referring to the village court or council court, Justice Koteswar said that the basic idea is to secure all citizens of the country socially, politically, and legally so that justice prevails as it is the fundamental right of an individual. On the other hand, Justice Manas Ranjan Pathak, while addressing, spoke on how the district judiciary was separated from the executive as per order from the Supreme Court of India in 2007, and its process resulted in the establishment of the district session court at Jatinga near Haflong in the year 2017. Justice Manas Ranjan Chaudhary, who also spoke on the occasion, said that it will be helpful in fast disposal of the pending cases, mentioning that around 17,000 cases are still pending as of 30 October last, with 6 courtrooms at present judicial court in Jatinga. Suraj Barman's report from Haflong, Karbi Anglong Live. For now, let's take a quick commercial break. More updates after the break. Karbi Anglong Mom's Dancing Star Grand Finale. Langdonik tha, paetung kekan kachapatielong. Kachapati journey lake matijong ni phai krehini, adim lake Joysindaloi Auditorium Hall dikhu. Laban ning chibik tha, bang surni kelangdon abang pubang piatum an setami, ang hodi kachipu. Ting ni. Welcome back to Karbi Anglong Live News after the break. In yet another success from the Karbi Anglong police, a huge quantity of ganja was seized from a Naka checking at Khatkati. Here is a short report of the latest seizure accomplished by the police. One Punjab body truck bearing registration number UP14FT4295 coming from Nagaland was intercepted during Naka checking, which was set up under the direction of SDPO John Das APS early on Saturday night at Khatkati. The police stopped the suspicious truck and conducted a thorough search, during which a total of 58 sealed packets of suspected cannabis or ganja of 10 kg each and weighing a total of 580 kg was recovered. The search operation was conducted in the presence of SDPO Bokajan. Although the truck was captured, both the driver and handyman fled away under cover of darkness. It may be mentioned that despite strict actions being taken against the smugglers and several of them being captured in the recent past, the illegal supply of ganja is still attempted. The local police of Karbi Anglong had been extremely alert in this case and had been able to foil the plan of smugglers several times. Ananterang from Bokajan, Karbi Anglong Live. The Golden Wings, under the leadership of Malo Kropi, Sonali Teronpi, Julie Bepi and Cleared Up Teronpi, had on Sunday conducted the audition for Northeast International Fashion Week Season 6. Here is a brief report. The audition was conducted at Karbi People's Hall, Daralangso, Dipu. The Golden Wings have been putting all of their efforts to encourage local young boys and girls in the field of modeling and fashion. They had set a new trend of opportunities for the enthusiastic youths of Dipu. The selected participants would be given the chance to take part in the events to be held in Guwahati and other cities across Northeast India in the month of March next year. Many participants from across the district came for the audition on Sunday.
Northeast International Fashion Week Season 6 abang so audition padukoni go tapian ahin pen Caribbean long pen kewang nang chetong dungo audition ang pidun churupar loni dituk long RD9 pidun apot lapu nilidung ke do lage organizer lo designers malumen lapen sonalia tang de tabang so audition ang long pen nilitung invite pondet rotet Pisiklam jiba labani linthanik ko labang so audition imai ponde lu pulotangte modeling and inke hanga tuma phan lanso se akang tu ge ponji mate Caribbean long pen ang tan ge ponji phan sinili tum labang so achai mek mate labang so audition teng poniklo.
The results of the audition are scheduled to be declared today, which is the 30th of November. News Desk report, Caribbean Long Live. Well, those were the top stories for today. Thank you for watching Caribbean Long Live. Have a good day.